Alright, Pyros, I'm back. This steel part stash part 2. Picked up a nice assortment. Like I said, y'all might not be able to see a lot of this stuff good because for one, I'm on my phone, for two, I'm in the basement and there's really not no light except for this lamp. So, for one, we got the skylight going on assortment. And city lights, my bad. A lot of different varieties up in there. I grabbed this from. Where did I get that from? I think I got that from 2020Fireworks, I think. See, it come with a little bit of everything. Bottle rockets, a lot of fountains, whatever the case is, rockets, little hundred shot bottle rockets right there. You know. But got another one too. But like I said, I've been, blowing stuff up. It's nowhere near the fourth yet, so my neighbors know what I'm about every year. See, the same thing as over there, just this one been open. We played around in, we've been busting stuff, but I ain't tripping. But like I said, you see that? Got the 6 inches coming soon. Part 3 is gonna be 6 inches for sure. Now, right here, I think where I grabbed this from. I don't know if I grabbed this from Pro Fireworks or what. But this is a 500 gram cake. Turn it on the side, it'll tell you what to do. Say 70 seconds. But up here it say a minute or more. I don't know what the hell. But whatever. We're gonna just see. Then we got another one down here. 500 gram. Everything I got is 500 grams. Like I said, except for the assortment stuff. So I'll be probably working on some 200 grams. But not right now. Yeah, this is another one. Let me move this out the way for y'all. Alright. So what is this? 25 shots? What's this? Mega banger? Yes, indeed. Oh, never had this before. All of this stuff I'm showing y'all, I never had before. But I went somewhere different. I went to Michigan. Last year I went up in Youngstown to WF Boom Fireworks. So shout out to them. But what is this? Zipper finale, 500 grams. It don't say how many shots do it. Oh, there it go. 25. 25 that is. Then we got another one down there. 48, 49 shots. Tell you, I'm ready. Tell you, Pyros, this is what I do. Bobby Light, Ohio. Y'all can subscribe, like, I don't care. I don't care if you do either or, you don't do it. I don't care at the end of the day. As long as you view it and see what I'm working with, that's all that matters right now. This right here, this just standing up. All of the holes is right here. It's just standing up instead of laying down flat. Oh, and these right here, y'all ain't ready for these. A lot of people, y'all pyro fanatics, y'all know what these is. You know what these is. Shout out to Pro Fireworks. Yeah, I had to sign the waiver for that too. So y'all can't just go get them online. Y'all got to go in the store and sign the waiver for them. Not gonna give it to y'all. And y'all gotta know what y'all signing too. Cause I ain't gonna just let anybody sign them. Oh, and these are 25 shots. And if I'm not mistaken, I think I got two wicks on here. One right here and one like over here somewhere. But yeah. Here's the next one. Who was that by? Okay. Never heard of this brand. This would be something new. This is a heavy one. This heavy too. 19 shots. Yes indeed. See the video on that one too. Another 500 gram. 25 shots. Here goes some more shit. Let's see. 9-shot. What's that? That is, oh, this is a 10-shot, but it's a 500. All these 500 grams, like I said. $500 grams. Nice inch holes. I know these inch holes. These either half inch or inch. This 9-shot. Trust me, if y'all know about Pro Fireworks, y'all already know what they working with. 9 times out of 10, I'm not gonna go back to them. I did my fair share with them. I done spent like over $900, and you know, I just feel like I could have got better deals somewhere else, like Red Apple Fireworks. But Pro Fireworks, y'all cool though. I was plotting on y'all last year, just couldn't get to go. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. All of these do say 9-shot, 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 9-shot. All the Pro Fireworks is 9 shots, except for the Legacy and Banger, shit like that. Yeah. Let's try to get a good look at that. You know, I had to do my Black Cat. I love Black Cat. I really do. But if I go in the Black Cat store, y'all busting for y'all fireworks. I can't go to Black Cat Fireworks store. I'll go somewhere else. These are all 500 grams. All 500 grams. Yes, indeed. So like I said, part 3 will be coming soon. Part 3 will be coming soon. Oh yeah, forgot about the black diamonds. Yeah, these 60 grams in the shell. I've been busting these off too, big time. Got what, 3 left in here. These some nice ones too. I can compare them. Though. Next to each other. Let's get one of these out. Alright. So, oh yeah, forgot about Venom. I grabbed me some Venoms too. I've been busting these like crazy. Oh yeah. So with these next to each other, it's just gonna let you know right there. These is the biggest shells out there. These are 5s. Yes, I do tell you these are these ones. So those ones go with these, right? Look what's on the back. I show you everything. It got the whole 9. Exclusive. My plug came through with these. Shout out to my plug. And like I said, I got the Venom. Like I said, I've been busting that shit just because. Oh, I forgot I got a little 200 little bottle rockets or whatever. But this right here, a lot of y'all should already know what these is. Yes, indeed, mommy. Yes, indeed. Oh, that's heavy as shit. Y'all know what that is. I'm telling y'all. Oh, I'm gonna make sure I try to put a 4th of July video up. I might not be able to go live on YouTube, but I'll be able to post these videos like this until I get my subscribers up. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. Yes, indeed. The adults know what these are, but guess what? Can't tell y'all what I really do with these, but for who knows what these is, y'all know what these is. Brand new in the pack, never been open. So y'all stay tuned for part 3. Peace out, Pyros.